Good morning, everyone. John from Popeyes Postcards. Going to do our daily what sold video. As you can see on the screen, eBay says I sold 13, or I have awaiting shipment. I have 13 items for $330. It's that same eBay glitch that I experienced yesterday. It's this somehow this mystery money. I don't know where it's coming from. What is reflecting to show that I have $330 in sales, because I don't. It's $147. This is what's waiting to ship is $147 worth of postcards. And you can see 856, 557, 1738, 544, 1981, 741, 1086, 861, 423, 915, $5, 35.59. and $9.91. That does not add up anywhere close to $330. So if anybody else is seeing this mystery money, or if you have an explanation that I'm missing, please let me know. It's interesting. I love to have this mystery money. I love for it to show up in my account, but it is not. So we'll go ahead and get into what sold. So the true what sold yesterday, 16 postcards, $168. And we'll go ahead and get into it. So obviously almost double, a little bit more than double the day before. And I did nothing different. Nothing at all different. Didn't send any offers or anything. So this first card, postcard, Trinidad, British West Indies, East Indian Family and Hut. I haven't been listing a whole bunch of foreign cards. I need to. I have thousands and thousands ready to be scanned and put on eBay or Delcamp, and I just have not done it. $6.99 for that card. Let's do something.
Sakonnet. Sakonnet. Sakonnet.
Rhode Island, Sakonnet, I would say like Sakonnet, Rhode Island, waves breaking high, 1930s. Sakonnet. Learned something new today. $5. This is China, Hong Kong, Central District, City, and Harbor View. Doesn't look like that much anymore. $4.99 for that, continental size. Mechanicsville, New York, Champlain Canal and Post Office, 1910 view. And that sold for $8. Next, Wildwood Crest, New Jersey, Mariner Inn Restaurant and Cocktail Lounge, $5.25 on a best offer. Next, these next two went to the same buyer. And this is Christmas Girl with Holly Boy Pulling Sled. Presents Pink Perfection and $8. Pink Perfection. I can't remember what the pink. I could be thinking of. Never mind. Pink Perfection. That's the back of it. 1920s ish. $8. And then they bought this one also. Christmas Boy Pulling Girl on Sled. Pink Perfection. And $8. Next, Middletown, Rhode Island, aerial view, St. George's School, linen. And that sold for $5. This is Kingman, Arizona, Route 66, White Rock Court Motel, vintage linen. Route 66, the older linen cards, I think, do much, much better than the modern chrome cards. Unless you get this really wacky roadside attraction that few cards were produced for. But $18.24 for that postcard. Easter Greetings, Little Girl, Egg, Basket, Lamb, Artist signed H. Kirstine. There's the signature. And that sold for $6.99. Tennessee, is it Estes Kiefer? I'm not sure. For president, patriotic politics.
Estes Kefauver. Estes Kefauver. Estes Kefauver.
So Mr. Kefauver obviously did not become president, but his postcard sold for $9.99. Next is New York City Hotel St. Regis, the Library, 1910. And that sold for $7.99. Harrisburg, Pennsylvania, Mount Pleasant Fire Company Truck, 1917 Seagrave. I have a whole bunch of these. Many copies. $3.99 for that card. This is beach scene on Mullet Lake, Long Point, Northern Michigan, linen. And that sold for $8.49. Next, Pretty Kittens Playing with Cherry Basket, Happy Birthday. This came in a big kitty cat lot I bought about, 2-3 years ago. $5 on the best offer. This is Illinois, Juliet, Holiday Inn. And it's Route 66. It's just really the generic marquee sign here. This is an extremely common view, and then they just print the specifics on the back. $5.99 for that card. Same buyer bought 5 or 6. This is like that $35 order you saw at the beginning of the video. Chicago Soldier Field from the Air, 1960s. And that's all for $5.99. They also bought this one, Chicago, Illinois, Union Station, RPPC. And what does the P's stand for? Photo, that's correct. $6.99. This is Kaminsky Park, baseball game in action, 1960s. Also sold for $5.99. And they bought this one, Dundee, Illinois, Santa's Village Gingerbread House, 1950s. And that sold for $7.99. And the last card, Buena Park, Knott's Berry Farm, Dude, Sands, and Mac. Also a real photo postcard. There's that. Sold for $8.99. So, excluding the mystery money, 16 orders, $168. Hope your sales are good, your glitches are few, and all that good stuff. Have a good day.